Are you tired of watching your stock investments rise and fall like a roller coaster? One day you're up, the next day you're down. It's frustrating, right? But what if I told you there's a smarter way to grow your wealth? In this video, we're diving into alternative investments, what they are, how they work, and most importantly, how they can help you beat market volatility and build a strong, diversified portfolio. If you're serious about protecting and growing your wealth, make sure to watch till the end because I'll also share practical steps to build a balanced investment strategy. Hey everyone, I'm Fawad, and welcome to Funds by Fawad. On this channel, we break down the most effective wealth-building strategies to help you make smarter financial decisions. I've spent years studying financial markets and investment strategies, and one thing I've learned is that relying only on traditional investments isn't enough. Markets crash, inflation eats away at returns, and even so-called safe investments can fail to deliver long-term growth. That's why today, I want to introduce you to the world of alternative investments, a powerful tool that many wealthy investors use to diversify and maximize their portfolios. So let's jump right in. Point 1. The limitations of traditional investments. For decades, people have been told that stocks and bonds are the safest way to invest. And while they can be profitable, they come with some serious limitations that you need to be aware of. Market volatility. If you've ever checked your investment portfolio only to see it drop overnight, you know how unpredictable the stock market can be. One bad economic report, one negative earnings announcement, and suddenly, your portfolio takes a hit. Inflation risk. Let's say your portfolio grows 5% a year, but inflation is running at 4%. That means your actual buying power has only increased by 1%, not great, right? Traditional investments don't always keep up with inflation, making it harder to preserve and grow your wealth. Diversification challenges. The key to financial security is not putting all your eggs in one basket. But if your portfolio is mainly stocks and bonds, you're still relying on the same financial system, and a market downturn can wipe out years of gains. So, what's the solution? Let's talk about alternative investments. Point 2. The power of alternative investments. Alternative investments offer a new way to invest that isn't tied directly to the stock market. Wealthy investors and institutions love these options because they provide diversification. Alternative investments don't always move in the same direction as stocks and bonds. This means when the stock market drops, these assets may hold steady or even rise. Higher return potential. Many alternative investments offer higher growth potential than traditional options. Of course, higher returns often come with higher risk, but if managed correctly, they can be a game changer for your portfolio. Examples of alternative investments. There are many types of alternative investments, but three of the most popular are: real estate house with garden, commodities sheaf of rice, private equity money bag. Let's take a closer look at each one. Point 3. Understanding alternative investments. Real estate, a proven wealth builder. Real estate has created more millionaires than any other investment vehicle. Why? Because it provides rental income, steady cash flow from tenants. Appreciation, properties increase in value over time. Tax benefits, deductions on mortgage interest, property depreciation, and more. For example, if you buy a rental property, not only do you earn rent each month, but your property value can increase significantly over time. Plus, real estate is considered a hard asset, meaning it holds intrinsic value. Commodities, protecting against inflation. Commodities include gold, oil, silver, wheat, and even coffee, essential raw materials that people need regardless of market conditions. Why invest in commodities? Hedge against inflation. When inflation rises, so does the price of goods, including commodities. Global demand. Countries and industries will always need energy, food, and materials. Gold, for example, has been used as a store of value for centuries. In times of economic uncertainty, investors rush to gold because it retains its worth even when paper currencies decline. Private equity, investing in high-growth companies. Private equity involves investing in companies that are not publicly traded. This means you're getting in early, before the company potentially goes public or is acquired. Why is this exciting? Higher growth potential, investing in startups or expanding companies can lead to massive gains. Less market volatility, since these companies aren't publicly traded, they aren't affected by daily stock market fluctuations. For example, companies like Uber and Airbnb were once private investments. Those who got in early saw huge returns when they went public. Point 4. Risks and rewards of alternative investments. While alternative investments have great potential, they also come with risks. Higher risk, higher reward. Some alternative investments require patience and long-term planning. Regulatory restrictions. Some investments have strict entry requirements, e.g., accredited investor status. Requires research. Unlike stocks, alternative investments need more knowledge and due diligence before jumping in. The good news? With proper research and diversification, you can mitigate many of these risks. Point 5. How to build a balanced portfolio. If you're ready to take your investments to the next level, here's how to get started. 1. Define your financial goals. Are you investing for retirement, passive income, or wealth growth? 2. Assess your risk tolerance. How much risk are you comfortable with? 3. Balance traditional and alternative investments. A smart mix of assets will keep your portfolio strong. 4. Consult a financial advisor. Get personalized guidance based on your situation. Now that you know the power of alternative investments, what's next? Check out my video on smart strategies to grow your wealth in 2025. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Funds by Fawad for weekly finance tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a future upload. Let's build wealth together.